let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Rumba choreography with the count. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And now let's look at same Rumba silver choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step and dance Alemana from open position. Notice delayed walk here for lady. We continue with natural opening out movement with reverse turn and continue into reverse top 2 bars. We end it with spiral to fan position, and from here we dance hockey stick. And we finish in open position. Very good. Let's look once again. So we take open hold, left to right hand hold. We start with preparation step on 4-1. And we dance Alemana from open position. We finish in closed position and dance natural opening out movement. And continue turn to left into reverse top 6 steps. We finish with spiral turn into fan position. From fan position we dance hockey stick, which we finish in open position left to right hand hold. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.